In this video, we are going to show you things to look for if your Tennant 5680 has poor or no pickup. First, check that the vacuum motor turns on. If it does not turn on, check the following. Check the battery voltage. The 5680 is a 36-volt machine, and a fully charged battery pack will be 37 to 38 volts. Uncharged machines below 32 volts may not function at all. Make sure the circuit breaker is not tripped. The vacuum breaker is on the right side of the control panel and the second one down. Push to reset. Repeated tripping indicates a short in either the wires or the motor itself. Check the squeegee lever and switch. The lever must be lowered to activate. If it does not lower, it may be hung up on the linkage or bracket. Make sure the switch engages. The switch is behind the panel, but there should be an audible click of the switch engaging as the lever is lowered. If the lever does not move smoothly or the switch cannot be heard engaging, the panel will need to be lowered to assess problems with the mechanism. Check the float switch located in the front of the recovery tank. A magnet inside shuts the vacuum motor off as the rising water level causes the float to lift. The switch might be activated because the drain water is full and needs emptied. Excess foam can raise the switch as well, or it can be stuck in the up position from debris and may need to be cleaned. Examine the electrical connections at the vacuum motor to make sure they are not damaged or missing. If the vacuum motor does turn on, check the following. If the motor cannot seal completely to the tank, it will lose suction power. Check that the bolts holding the motor down are not loose and the foam material in the gasket is not damaged. Tank gaskets may not be sealing when the tank is shut. Check for damaged or degraded foam in the seals and make sure the top half is down completely. There is a safety stop between the two tanks that need to be pressed in to allow the tanks to shut completely. Check drain hose for damage or to see if it's disconnected from the tank. A loose or missing drain cap can be easily overlooked and can reduce suction significantly. Check to see if squeegee blades are worn or damaged. A sharp edge is needed to completely pick up the water. Flip or turn squeegee blades for hard edge or replace if there are no edges left. Check to see if the squeegee assembly sits even on the floor. The deflection in the blade should be equal through the whole length of the blade. Turn the knobs on top of the assembly until it sits level. Turning the knobs counterclockwise will decrease the blade deflection, and turning the knobs clockwise will increase blade deflection. If simple adjustment of these knobs is not enough to get contact, there is a problem in the linkage and more thorough repairs are needed. Check the squeegee hose for damage, disconnection, or clogs. Also, check the elbow inside the tank for damage or clogs. Check the vacuum filter. A dirty filter can sometimes impede the airflow. You can rinse a dirty filter with water, but it will need to be dry completely before using again. As always, you can find a ton of support material for all brands of floor equipment by going to www.usaclean.com and logging into USA Fix. For immediate help with any floor equipment, always call 1-800-USA-CLEAN or visit us online. Thanks for watching.